Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a gorgeous Dollar Tree fall wreath that looks high-end but is a fraction of the cost. It's the perfect way to decorate your front door or your home for fall without spending a fortune, so stick around because I'm going to walk you through every step so you can easily create this stunning wreath yourself. So I didn't have a specific plan for this wreath, but when I do decorate wreaths, I do like them to look as wispy and natural as possible. And at first, I wasn't sure if I wanted my floral picks to go along the top half or down the side of the wreath, but ultimately I decided to keep everything along the one side, and I just love the way that that looks. So I'm starting with these gorgeous silver dollar picks. They're one of my favorites and they make such a great base for this wreath. From here, I'm going to play around with different flowers and see where they look best. You're also going to notice that I don't use any glue, as this isn't a gift for someone and I don't plan to sell it. So I like to be able to reuse my wreath forms, so simply sticking the stems into the grapevine should be enough to hold these pieces in place. Now, I'll be honest, I tend to wing my wreath designs as I go, but one thing about me is that I'm a very symmetrical decorator. Whatever I do on one side, I usually repeat on the other. Now, if I place a stem facing upward, I'll mirror that with another stem facing downward, and the same goes for the left and the right, which you'll see throughout this video. I try to keep things evenly spaced so the wreath feels balanced, but still soft and natural. And as I add more pieces, I just take a break sometimes to look at it and make sure I like the way it looks, checking the shape and filling it in until I love the way that it is looking. I'm Julie from Simply Julie Marie, and if you love seasonal living, home decor, and DIY videos, I would love it if you hit that like button and subscribe button so that you don't miss any future videos.
Take the time to dig deep underneath this red heat. We could really meet. Layers. It's time to lose these naysayers. We're better off, the air will be richer, and everything's so much easier.
To balance out all the orange, I added some bright pops of green. I also end up putting some bright yellow flowers, and it really helps to liven up the wreath.
Just for me, don't bail out and leave. Scary, it can be rough and quite fearsome, but to win big you gotta risk some, and I'm not like the other ones, no. Oh, we don't need to work so hard, we don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Oh, love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me just for me. Don't bail out and leave. No, no, no. We can do as we please. Don't listen to them as they preach. We don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Yes, love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me. We don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act so strong. It's been, we don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act so strong. It's been too long.
I decided to add a bow to the wreath and chose this really pretty plaid pattern ribbon. It is wired ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I am not a bow making expert, so I'm going to spare you a tutorial. There are plenty of much more experienced YouTubers with great how-to videos. I used zip ties to keep the bow together and attach it to the wreath form.
Layers. It's time to lose these naysayers. We're better off, the air will be richer, and everything's so much easier. We don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me just for me. Don't bail out and leave. Scary, it can be rough and quite fearsome, but to win big you gotta risk some, and I'm not like the other one.
I'm still on the fence. What are your thoughts? Should I keep the bow or remove it? And that's my Dollar Tree affordable fall wreath. And I'd love to know, what colors are you decorating with this fall? Share in the comments and be sure to like and subscribe for more DIYs. See you guys next time.